Hi, everybody. We've all seen and used these captchas before. They're the annoying test that websites use to confirm that we are human. You don't seem to be able to get into any website anymore without captcha challenge, like clicking on some traffic lights or confirming you're not a robot, doing a quick math question. Or the ones I really hate the most are where they ask you to retype some fuzzy letters and numbers. Captchas were developed back in the 90s to try and stop hackers using bot programs to mass spam forums and comment sections with fake links and advertisements. So, the idea behind Captchas was to create a test that only humans could answer and stop these spam bots in their tracks. But now, I'm sorry to say that the Captcha has been used in the latest form of scam. You think it's just another Captcha, but in reality, it's a scam to get you to unwittingly download some malware onto your computer. Scammers are relying on the fact that you're so familiar with captchas that you trust them. So, this is just a quick video to warn you about this new scam and how to spot it so you don't end up falling for it. Here's a typical fake captcha. So it'll ask you to prove that you are not a robot, that you've actually got to do something. So it's going to ask you to hold the Windows key and press R, and then in the verification, Windows Control and V. Then you're going to press Enter. It's going to ask you to enter in a string of text, and then just confirm the above verification. Now, while that it seems pretty harmless, if you actually follow these steps, you will be infecting yourself with some malware, most likely an information stealer. So, in the background, the website you visited, copy the command to your clipboard, and then in the Chromium based browser, which, let's face it, they're almost the popular ones these days, a website can only write to your clipboard with your permission. But Windows was under the assumption that you agreed to that when you checked the checkbox in the first screen. So now you know. Be vigilant and avoid these types of fake captchas. Please be sure to share this video with others so they don't fall into the same trap. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.